It's the most frustrating accessory you own. You buy a sleek, feather-light laptop designed for portability, but to keep it running, you're forced to carry a heavy, clunky black brick. It gets hot, tangles in your bag, and trips people in coffee shops. But have you ever wondered why this brick even exists? Why can't we just have a simple, thin wire running from the wall to the computer like a lamp or a toaster? The truth is, that plastic box isn't just a plug. It's a miniature power station and a high-tech bodyguard working tirelessly to keep your device alive. To understand the brick, we first have to understand the chaos coming out of your wall. The electricity in your home is alternating current AC, a high-pressure flow that rushes back and forth 50 or 60 times every second at 110 or 220 volts. Your laptop, however, is far more delicate. Its microchips require direct current, DC, a calm, steady. It's one-way stream at a much lower pressure, usually around 19 volts. If you connected your laptop directly to the wall, that raging river of high-voltage AC would instantly fry your motherboard. The brick exists to negotiate this transition, turning a violent surge into a gentle flow through 3 hidden stages. The process begins the moment electricity enters the box and hits a component called a bridge rectifier. Think of this like a team of traffic guards at an intersection. No matter which direction the chaotic AC tries to come from, these guards force all the energy to move in the same direction. This creates a one-way road, but it's still bumpy and unstable. That's where the capacitor comes in. Looking like a tiny soda can, the capacitor acts as a reservoir. When the power surges, it fills up. When the power dips, it releases stored energy to fill the gaps. This smooths out the electricity into a straighter, more reliable line. However, the voltage is still dangerously high. In the old days, lowering voltage required heavy iron coils that would make your charger weigh 5 pounds. Modern switch-mode chargers use a much cleverer trick. A tiny transistor acts as a high-speed gatekeeper, chopping the electricity on and off tens of thousands of times per second. By turning the power into these high-frequency pulses, the charger can use a tiny, lightweight transformer to step the voltage down to the safe 19 volts your laptop needs. It is actively resizing and rebuilding the power faster than you can blink. Finally, there is a silent safety feature called an optocoupler. This is the ultimate bodyguard. It uses a beam of light to send signals between the dangerous high-voltage side and the safe low-voltage side, ensuring there is no physical connection between the two. If anything goes wrong, the light signal tells the system to shut down, preventing the wall's deadly power from jumping the gap to shock you or destroy your computer. So, the next time you pack that blocky cord, remember, it's not just a piece of plastic. It's a complex city of bridges and reservoirs working to protect your digital life.